Hello guys, welcome to my live. And today we are going to talk about Bitcoin and what's happening in this market. You know, in my previous live, I predicted that we need the extreme fear, you know, we need the extreme fear in the market. Without extreme fear, we cannot see the bounce back. And right now we are in the extreme fear phase of market, and I'm quite happy to see this, because I think each time after market enters the extreme fear phase, we can have a strong bounces to the upside. I think this is it, and this is the extreme fear I was searching for and I was waiting for. Let's check Bitcoin. Arash, but we don't have enough money to buy the dip. You have to actually always save some money for red days. Okay, you have to follow your money management system in order to be better and be well. You need to follow your money management system, and you need to follow that. Okay, I have enough money to buy dip, and I'm quite happy to see this. You know, uh, yeah. Let's check Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. I can remember that market was dropping down massively and dramatically here, and people were quite scared, and I started a live, and I told them that this is the bottom we are waiting for, and after that Bitcoin succeed to move up to somewhere around 70K. And right now, we are in the extreme fear again, and I love this extreme fear because weekends will exit the market, and this market cannot move up with weak people. Actually, right now, if I want to draw this price channel, you can see that Bitcoin is in the bottom of this price channel. We need to see some bounce back in the market because we are at the deep, we are at the bottom of this market, and I think we need to see some bounces. And you can see this volume is too big. Actually, it's showing us that too many people has exited the market, and I think we can see higher levels. I think we can see higher levels, and right now we are at the bottom of this channel. I think we can see some bounces from this level. We can see bounces to the upside because we are on daily time frame. We are at, if I want to remove everything, we are at the 100 days moving average. The last time that we hit this red line, we had a strong bounce, and after that, boom. And right now we are on this red line again. Okay, and I think we are going to see some bounce back to the upside, and this is my analysis about Bitcoin. I think we are near the dip. Guys, don't get fooled by people who tell you to DM us on WhatsApp. They are just scammers. Don't get scams. I'm not going to send you any kind of directs, any kind of I don't know, WhatsApp messages. Don't do that, okay? That's not me. Yeah, right now we are at this 100 days moving average, and I think we are fine. By now, I think this sell pressure is going to leave the market. And also in Ichimoku system, when price hit the bottom of Como, when price hit this bottom, we can see a strong bounces, for example, like here. Okay, we can see these bounces in the market, and let's see. I think we are going to see $60,000 again. I think we are going to see 60K again, and if we break above 60K, we will be bullish again. And yeah, and RSI, you can see that we are in the a strong support area, which is showing us that this is the potential dip, potential bottom. This is not a financial advice that you are, for example, telling that we are going to buy and you are going to be responsible. I'm not responsible for your positions, and you are responsible for your own decisions, actually. But in order to get rich in financial markets, you have to buy the fear and sell the greed. That's the only way to get rich in cryptocurrency market and in other financial markets. You a wise man once said that buy the fear and sell the greed. Let's check the addresses in cryptocurrency market. As always, addresses with 0.1 bitcoin, they are bullish. Addresses with more than 1 bitcoin, they are bullish. Addresses with more than 10 bitcoin, they are still bullish. And addresses with more than 100 bitcoin is quite bullish. Guys, I'm not sad, I'm just allergic to dogs, and when I touch my dog, or for example I play with my dog, I get allergic, and yeah, I cannot even talk or breathe properly. I think we are at the potential dip right now, and if we break below this level, the bull market is going to be over, and this bull cycle is going to be over. We are going to hit 46 here. After that, we are going to see pullback, and after that, boom, another dump to the downside. So don't worry right now. We are in the edge of Bitcoin. We need to wait for some more confirmation in the market, and on 1 hour time frame you can see the big dump. Big dump happened in the market. I think we have this bearish channel. Yeah, this was a bearish channel. If price move back inside this channel, it's going to be extremely good for Bitcoin, and after this we can actually see higher levels on Bitcoin. Remember that the strong resistance area is somewhere around $60,000, which I explained to you on my Instagram. I explained to you in my Instagram stories, and right now we are below $60,000. And remember that in cryptocurrency market we have $10,000 movement steps, and I think these movement steps of correction in the market is over. As we can see here, we had the 23% correction in the market. Right now, another 22% correction in the market, and yeah, we need to see some bounces from this level. If we break below this one, everything is over. But I think right now we are going to see bounces in the market. There is nothing special anymore on 4 hour time frame. There is a big candle, big red candle, and the bottom was here. If we break above this level, 56K, it's going to be an uptrend in the market, which is going to be pretty good. And never adopt a dog or a cat, because you get allergic. You get allergic like me, and you can't even talk. Will Bitcoin break the $60,000? Right now, we have to wait. We have to wait to see how strong this bounce is going to be. We have to wait for this area, and it's unpredictable. We just need to wait for it. I think we are going to get back to the bullish phase of market. This is my opinion, but this live is not a financial advice. So, 27th of February. Yeah, this is I think this is a potential dip. On monthly time frame, let's review everything together. We had a strong uptrend. We had the correction. We had a strong monthly candle here. And right now we are having a correction. I think the bottom of this correction is going to be here, the previous monthly high, and also it can be here. I think we are not going to see below $50,000. I think we are not going to see below $60,000. I say the area between 52 to 54K level is going to be the bottom, but the sell pressure is too high. We might see a little bit lower levels, but it's okay, Yeah, perfect support area. And also we have the divergence in RSI. We have divergence in 4-hour time frame, and I think this divergence is going to play out, and we are going to see higher levels on Bitcoin. As you can see, with any kind of factor that I check this market, I think we are near the bottom, and I think we are going to see higher levels from now on. And this was the final bearish leg in cryptocurrency market. After this, we are going to see higher levels. The extreme fear phase for market was necessary. We needed that, and I think after this we are going to see higher levels on Bitcoin. Let's check lower time frames. On lower time frames, you can see they are trying to stop this sell-off. The market was falling down like a Niagara Fall, but right now they are trying to stop this sell-off. I think we might see a little bit lower, for example 52. We might touch that, but I think these are the final bearish moment in this market. And don't forget that Bitcoin, this live and everything you hear in Bitcoin channel is not a financial advice. We are analyzing chart with educational purposes, and I hope you enjoyed this live. Give me a thumbs up, and see you later on my other live shows. Bye for now.